something quick and fast. What can we do? Car wash. No, I don't want to mess up my curls. Party. No, too much planning. Bake sale? I love to bake. Hey, Curlfriends.
Hey, girlfriend. How's the planning going?
It's going great. Look at those curls, so defined. What did you use?
I used Curl Boss from the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Collection. It's the best curl gel ever.
I need to get me some ASAP so my curls look as soft and defined as yours.
No, you do, for real.
So, I came up with some ideas for some quick fundraisers.
What is it?
A bake sale. What?
You don't know how to bake.
That's subjective.
Right.
So you don't think it's a good idea?
I mean, I see what you're doing, but I don't think it's gonna work, seeing how you don't really know your way around the kitchen.
Yeah, I guess it'd be a waste of time. Plus, I don't think that we'd be able to raise enough funds selling chocolate chip cookies.
Hey, I have an idea.
Okay, spell.
How about a curl off?
A curl off.
Well, I'm thinking that you and the rest of the Curlfriend gang can get together at your sister's salon and do a curl off and provide hair services at a discounted rate, and everybody can just come and get their curl on.
I don't know, Courtney. I haven't done hair since I left the salon.
Just think about it, Tam. I think it'd be a great idea. Think about it, Tam. We can even do a contest for who has the best curls.
It's a good idea, especially since all the girls already work at the salon. I know D'Lo would love it. She adores Lisa. They went to hair school together.
See, I knew you would love it. And since I can't do other people's hair, I'll just organize everything and you guys can come in ready to work.
Okay, Courtney. Last time we put you in charge of an event, things got a little out of hand.
Trust me on this one, Tam. It'll be fine. And it's for Lisa. Say it with me. It's all for Lisa.
But wait, who's gonna call D'Lo and explain it all to her?
We might have to call Aunt Jackie herself for that one.
Good luck with that one.